Now they should get all the grandchildren in there.
Well, I gotta see how much battery I got left
Okay.
here.
Oh, battery.
Yeah, because it's running on a battery right now. It needs to be.
Better really
replaced.
Going on
put it in
19
when you're
minutes.
up there, huh?
Who's talking to me?
He's taking a picture of your stomach. A big old gut.
All right. Yeah, when I'm stuck up, that's baby.
Takes up more of the camera than
Jessica, Tony,
Look at it.
Mama.
Where's Mama? Jasmine.
No, it's fine. It fits you. Tell Rose. Rose, come here, Rose. Bring Mama. Bring Mama. Rose. Rose.
Thank you, barbecue.
Come on, Rose. Striptease. Rose. But you can't.